Guess where we are? We're at the base of the Matterhorn on the top of a huge mountain range here. The city below us is Zermatt, and we just caught this cog car railway up the hill, and I thought it might be a beautiful opportunity to do a heart meets the mountain meditation. And it's just a magnificent day. There's very little breeze even, and we're off peak season, so it's kind of quiet. I've got my glasses on, so it's a bit hard to see in the background, but I think that's the Matterhorn there. So I'd like to invite you to join me in a presencing where the heart meets the mountain. So just pause for a moment. There's an immense quality of stillness and presence here. So I'd like to invite you to come into the present moment for a moment. Let your eyes close if that feels good. If you're not driving, give yourself permission to be here in this moment just the way you are. Feeling the breath coming in and out. The breath brings us into the present moment, brings us into our body. It energizes and sustains us, and it creates flow for healing and transformation to happen. So we bring attention to the breath. And the breath here is just a gentle flowing breath. Breathing in, belly, chest, expanding and letting go. Every time you breathe in, become more present, more connected. And every time you breathe out, letting go, surrendering to whatever rises. Drawing the breath in. We've got the railway cart going past. So anything that wants to be let go of, let it go as the cart fades away. Anything that's coming up, any restlessness, breathing into that, breathing out, allowing it to flow where it will. Being aware of your feet, grounded. Tuning into the stillness and the silence that's in the background. Breathing into your spine. Feeling that sense of support and stability. Letting go. Belly, chest, up to your heart. Tuning into your heart. I am here. I am enough. Connecting inside to the stillness, the timeless beingness at the center of your being. Breathing in and letting go. Just letting everything slow down. Fade away that's outside, coming home inside to the peace, the happiness, the love, the wholeness that's at the center of your being. Coming home to truth, being aware that the world that we live in is happening within us. Allowing the whole world to come inside and letting go. Nice, slow, gentle, relaxed breaths. Breathing in, becoming more present. Breathing out, letting go into stillness and silence, into eternal beingness. In this place of stillness, being aware of what's rising inside in your heart. A reminder to slow down, to be present, to connect, to allow. Breathing in and softening as you breathe out. Remembering the truth of who you are, whole and complete inside, unchanging, timeless being like the mountain, just present and there. And now we're going to round this off, taking another conscious breath in, down to your belly and letting go. And then another breath all the way down to your hands and feet, fingers and toes. Just wiggle your fingers and toes, gently bringing yourself back into the present moment fully, remembering the world that you live in is a projection of the state of your heart, and you can come home to the truth, peace and stillness whenever you choose. It's always there, but you have to come home inside to reconnect. Have a fabulous day. Look forward to catching you again super soon. Lots of love.